morning everyone. I am glad you clicked on this video. I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend. It is Saturday morning post Diwali festival, so it's getting a little chilly out here. I'm having my morning coffee. I have a day planned out for today, so cozy up and keep watching.
Good morning, morning, morning. Good morning, morning.
Hi everyone, it is the evening. I washed my hair and you know the drill. I made myself some chai and then we have farmlace makhana. This is in Andhra masala flavor. So I tried this and I really love this flavor because it gives like a little spicy and tangy. I did a lot of things today actually. I did it off camera because there was no power and the battery of my phone was draining, so I thought how can I even shoot it. So I even cleaned the entire house. I did some, like I put on some turmeric face mask and I also washed my sports shoes. So that was it. Other than that, you would have already seen in the clips before. So I'm just gonna drink my tea, and I also uploaded a YouTube video which was scheduled at 5 o'clock today. So go check that out as well. I'll put it somewhere over here. My video is out now, so I'm just sitting and watching it. And look at the sky, it looks so pretty from here. I feel like one meme a day though. But can you imagine if you sent a man a message on WhatsApp, like asking them question and they have not responded, but I'm all cozied up and I'm watching Moss and I've put the astronaut light and it looks so cozy. I got ready for the gym and this is my new outfit. It's from Savannah. So the top is also from Savannah and the bottom is also from Savannah. The bottom, it has like flared pants. You can see it's like this. The pant is in medium size because I am a bit tall, not as tall, but I am a little tall, so I need the flare and I need it to cover my ankle. And the top is in small, and I also got one in blue color. Let me just show to you. Okay. So this is the one in blue color, which looks really nice as well. Almost a similar pattern. And yeah, if you want the links, I'll put it in the description. Now let's go to the gym. Bye. For dinner, we have some methi paratha, tomato chutney, shenga hindi, and musru.